second part of group communication, and we are going to cover two topics today. First topic is meetings and the second one is video conferencing. What is a meeting? Let us focus. When like-minded people with some objective in their mind to take some decision, to sort out some problem, they come on the single platform that is known as meeting. The purpose is to find out solution. The purpose is to work out some ideas, to plan and execute. May it be routine meetings, may it be annual board meeting, may it be many other types of meeting, may it be disaster management meeting, may it be surprise some problem solving meeting. It causes a lot of immediate stress. Meeting is also required when a person is not able to perform his duty in given time, and work delegation is required, or when a company is aggressively planning to grow and trying to spearheading competitiveness in that situation. And modern world is the world of globalization. And in this world of LPG, liberalization, privatization and globalization, private companies are facing a lot many trouble. They need to cater to the social responsibility. They need to create CSR cells. They need to create marketing cells. They need to create new product launch advertising board, and all the situation contribute to the stress of business environment. In this way, corporate field and in business communication, it becomes at times quite difficult to ignore meeting and not conducting of the meeting in time can cause havoc on any company. For having suitable meeting, there are certain steps like planning agenda and pre-meeting conduct, during meeting behavior, and conducting the meeting and concluding the meeting and behavior of the meeting, preparing the minutes of the meeting. And second point of the topic I wish to prepare is video conferencing. This is in short form also known as video call. Video conferencing can be reduced to video. What is video conferencing? Or what is a conference? Let us break it into two parts. What is a conference? What is conferencing? Then what is video conferencing? Conferencing is a sort of big meeting. It's a sort of big meeting, and where a large number of people assemble to share their opinion and ideas with each other. And it can continue a few days, maybe 1 or 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and they discuss seriously on the problems of their life and society, community at large. When we talk about conferencing and meeting, then what is the difference between meeting and conferencing? is the nature of recommendatory. Only recommendations will be there. They will promise, but they will go to their own places in conference, and then they will prepare their plan of action and they will execute their plan. So there lies the major difference between meeting and conference. Meeting, recommendation, action, everything will be thought, process, brainstorming, everything will be there. But in conference, brainstorming will be there, discussion will be there, sorting out right of the problem will be there, suggestion will be there, recommendations will be there, but action, immediate action will not be there. That in conference is recommended. It is a thought process oriented. Then what is video conferencing? Before reaching to video conferencing, it would be wise here to look at this quotation written by father of English essays, Francis Bacon, in his essay of studies. He recommends promptly that reading maketh a full man, whereas conference a ready man, and finally writing an exact man. So when we talk about conference, means indirectly we are preparing ourselves for that. We are trying to make our team ready. During conference, we are trying to issue sort of alertness and percolate a sort of alertness, advisory, recommendation to make the team ready, or to make a group, a society, a community ready for certain challenges. Then video conference. Seeking or sharing ideas with some expert via adopting technology, and so as we can have face-to-face experience of the discussion of meeting by adopting technology, ICT, information and communication technology, with the help of information super highways. So video conferencing, adopting video, audio visual discussion. It involves audio visual discussion with a person who is not physically present to take part in that conference and in the meeting, so we can have expert opinion, or we can share, order, delegate some issues and some responsibilities, accountabilities. For that purpose, video conferencing supports. This is where LPT comes with ICT. Information and communication technology involves to sort out the problem of liberalization, privatization and globalization. And it also brings other cultures together, helping CCC, cross-cultural communication. Let us come back to the meeting. Today we are going to have a team, a board meeting, and board meeting is going to release their, or they are planning to come up with new product, and let us see what is happening inside the meeting during a new product launch. So over to the board. Here comes the secretary first to have a briefing with the meeting. Then there comes president and vice president. President is very busy with her job and other assignments, but at the same time she has to run the meeting and convene it. Let us see what is going on there in the meeting of new product launch. So it's over to president.
Very good morning to one and all, my respected staff and fellow members. Today we have assembled here on new product, a very important agenda. To plan we must be careful that it is not harmful for our society. How many people are required in this monthly management? How many people are required in monthly? How many people are required in month?
Consumers are all affected. We don't have any idea of consumers. When we launch our product, then we will came to know about all this. Our product quality should be lightweight and it is pure Pashmina. Pashmina is a very reputed brand, but there are many other brands in our market such as Vardhman and Oswal. They have a very good market. So their market is very large. For competing them, we have introducing a very good brand which is Pashmina. So we should introduce our product at a very reasonable rate so that every class of people can afford it.
Firstly, the advertisement.
In advertisement, we are launching a new product, financially staff, and its quality is with natural products and very harmless, and इसमें कोई भी केमिकल का यूज़ नहीं किया गया है. इसमें कोई भी एज का पर्सन इसे यूज़ कर सकता है. जैसे कि 55 से लेके 55 तक इसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ये कई कलर्स में आपको अवेलेबल होगा. कई एजेस के लोग इसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अवेलेबल होगा कई कलर्स में एंड नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट है, बिल्कुल सबके लिए यूज़ है. और इसे हम किसी भी तरह से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इसका एज दुपट्टा एंड फेस कवर किसी भी तरह से हम इसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं.
As Pashmina is very expensive, and we are creating a base for our product. We are creating a base for our product, so we should take the price as 200, or as it is an introductory product. So we would offer 20% off on the product so that it may create easily the base.
This product is very useful in hilly areas where temperature goes very minimum. This product will take a very large market in hilly areas. So it should be launched there first. This type of areas cost.
So this type of product we are launching. As you see, this product is in natural colors and many colors of product.
The sales cost is dependent upon the market. The price, the cost of the product will be 200, and with an offer of 20% off.
I think it is a reasonable rate. Below it, our product will not stand in the market. So product should be offered at 200.
So now, Mr. Ramina, make sure to prepare the minutes of the meeting. And Mr. Juneja, you will check the concerned matters. Whatever required comment will be there. Yes, I would like to say to all the fellow members, feel free to communicate any time of the meeting. Thank you.